There's a lot of problems that we can solve, make money from it, di ba? I am Harold Den Burgos. My business is Go Clean Hamilton Invendo and the Harden Resort. So my business mainly is Go Clean Hamilton Invendo offers solution to long-standing problem of the society, which is yung amoy ng mga helmet. So it offers bango and freshness sa helmet. Well, of course, napakasaya and overwhelming considering all the people who came here from different places. Napakaraming tao, napakaraming gustong matuto. At it's an honor to be one of those na maka-inspire sa kanila. My business started sa, kumbaga, bakuran o sa garahe. It started from a dream, financial constraint. Of course, I need to get out of that. And of course, solving the problem of the community. Create unique contents, hook them in 3 seconds. And of course, make sure that they'll stay on your video watching it and engage to that video. And reach organically kasi that's very important when starting. Less cost siya. And of course, nandun mismo yung market mo. Sa mga kapwa ko dyan, sino gusto magsimula ng negosyo, you need to make a difference in the society. There's a lot of problems that we can solve. Make money from it, di ba? In a good way, of course. And also, just continue your passion and make profit out of your passion. Sa Go Negosyo, maraming salamat sa binibigay niyo opportunity para sa ating mga gustong magnegosyo at mga even negosyante na, nagtulong-tulong, pati mga bigating negosyante na just to serve our mga kapwa entrepreneurs natin. To Sir Joey, mabuhay po kayo. More power and good luck sa mga upcoming chairmanship pa. And I believe na you have a role in the ASEAN 2026. Good luck po. God bless.